Hi everyone, welcome back to another session. This is Priyankara, your trainer for the entire tech series. Today I am going to show how to enable private browsing in your browser. Before we start today's session, please subscribe my channel so we are happy and encourage to create videos for you. You might think, what is private browsing? Why we need private browsing? I can just use my browser as usual. Think if you are using a public computer to surf internet, such as in a university or an internet cafe, then you are searching some personal stuff, you may use your bank details, etc. And you left the PC, then another user coming and start the browser. Unfortunately, your browsing history is visible to him and your bank account or personal information are vulnerable to steal. So here comes the private browsing like a champ. What is private browsing? Private browsing refers to a browsing session where browsing history, cookies, and web caches are not stored. Other data such as passwords and autofill data are also not saved during private browsing. You can enable private browsing using built-in tools in your internet browser such as Chrome's incognito mode. But however, keep in mind that private browsing doesn't disguise your IP address. If you want to hide it, you have to use a VPN connection. So I'll show you examples on how to start private browsing using 3 different browsers. See, before start recording this session, I have cleared my browsing history. So here I am going to interact with my browser. I am searching something. I am going to YouTube. Now you can see after that how the history will be saved in the history list. See, there's my browsing history recorded. Start private browser in Google Chrome. You can use the drop-down menu on the top right of the browser and select New Incognito window to start private browser session in that window. How to turn on private browsing in Firefox? You can access private browsing by clicking on the drop-down menu to the top right of your browser and selecting New Private Window. How to open private browsing in Microsoft Edge? Microsoft Private Browsing mode is named as inprivate. To open an inprivate window, you have to go to the top drop-down menu and select New Private Window. This will open a private browser session in Edge browser. Hope you have learned something with this video. Please comment about this video in the comment section so you can ask me a question and you can give me a suggestion. All are welcome.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to subscribe.